Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Ads search terms to refine landing pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Ads account. Navigate to the campaigns section in the left sidebar. Select the campaign you want to analyze. Click on the Keywords tab within the campaign menu. Locate the Search Terms subtab. Here, you will see a list of search queries that triggered your ads. Review the search terms for relevance to your business. Look for terms that align with your target audience and goals. Identify high-performing keywords that lead to conversions. Take note of any irrelevant or unrelated search terms. Use this data to refine your landing pages. Ensure your landing page content matches the intent of the search terms. Optimize headlines and calls to action based on the found keywords. Consider adding new sections or information that address specific queries. Remove or adjust keywords that underperform to improve targeting. Regularly revisit the search terms report for continuous optimization. By following these steps, you can enhance your landing pages to better meet user needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.